Hello everybody, so this is it, the second round of financing is live. So if anybody of you is interested into really trying the game, helping me testing stuff and also finance the game, which is obviously very important, so you can back the game for a few days only, so just check the website in the description. So again guys, please understand that this is really pre-alpha game, so a lot of things are really missing polish. It's really a build-only experience for now, but I'm really working hard on space combat, and really a lot of things are gonna change in the coming months. Okay, so let me give you a quick preview of what I am working on, speaking of making big change to the game. Yeah, so I'm redoing the way we are doing the link assignment in the game. So as you can see, so we now are using a new link tool, and this is really extremely convenient because now you can really link as much as you want the same button, which means that this gate, the quad command or the dual command, and that way of doing will basically disappear. So that will be a huge saving of space, and also it will take far less time. You don't need to build a specific gate to do that. So that's really a massive bonus, and also having a tool make it really easier to debug. So for example, yeah, you can just select a command and you see exactly where it goes, and also you can see the predecessor in purple like that, which is very convenient. So for example, if you activate, you want to see that system, which command is activating it, so it's really extremely convenient. And we just took a hit. And yeah, so that's really the idea, and so a lot of the gates will disappear. So if you are about to discover the game this weekend, or even if you are a seasoned player, really this way of doing will disappear. So don't spend too much time on that. Unfortunately, you will have to migrate to the new system otherwise, and so that will be very cool. And so typically also one nice bonus is that all the remaining gates, so typically the delay or end or gate command, will basically really greatly reduce in size, as you can see. So that was the old delay command that was taking 2 studs, and the new one is only taking 1, and that will be the same for the OR command, and yeah, so it will be again a huge space saver. And yeah, so that's really the idea. And one last thing that will be quite also a big change is that now you really I want to get rid of that way of configuring stuff. So yeah, so basically, so let me delete that one. So now if you want to configure a button, you will just have to press F. So that means that each gate will have really a single purpose, so either to be activated manually by the player, or either being a configuration of some sort, like this delay, for example. We can put a new delay, and then we can link it over here, for example. And yeah, so that will be really the new way of doing. And okay, so maybe I need to, yeah, exactly. So that's the idea, guys. So again, thank you for backing if you plan to back. Otherwise, it's perfectly fine to wait for the Steam release. Like I said, the game is really early in development, and so it might be safer for you to wait for the Steam release. But if you want to help the development of the game, that will be really super cool from you. So thank you guys, and see you in the next one.